So today I'm going to install the my eBay windshield and the windshield bracket for the goes right over the headlight. That ought to complete this bike and have me ready to go on my fishing trips. So we'll see. Just 3 screws to remove. It bolts up. The screws that hold the headlight in place also hold this windshield mount in place. These two come completely out, and this top one just loosens up, at least to get the headlight off. So pull that off. Now we have to take this screw completely out to put the headlight mounting bracket on. That one. These things pretty flimsy when it's by itself, so I don't know how well it's going to hold up here. I guess we'll see. Hopefully these holes line up. Right now they don't look like they're going to. And that one does. Drop the screw. See if we can get this one to line up. Yeah, that's a little better. Thing is a little tricky because it's under spring tension. You gotta try to hold the mount down, hold the screw in, keep it all from flying back up and taking up again. Not the most rigid headlight mount I've seen. This should have been a 5-minute job. Okay. Yeah. Sorry for blocking the camera view there, but finally got it started. Now, not going to tighten them all the way up just yet. And it looks like they only gave me 6 of these little plastic washers, and there's 4 screws. So I'm assuming they're supposed to go on each side, and so that means I'm short 2. I'm going to have to come up with something to alleviate that. If I could ever quit dropping everything. course, there were no instructions to say, well, only put them on this side, so I'm assuming, as I said, they go on both sides. Well, it looks kind of nice in place. Just wish I had all the plastic washers. This requires an Allen head or Allen wrench to tighten it, which they did not include. I'll have to break out mine. Tighten these up. Hello. Hello. You want to say hi to the camera? Say hello. Say hello. I hear your boyfriend. I hear your boyfriend. Okay. Tomorrow, since it's getting late, I'll take it out for a test ride and see how well it does. And I'll include that on this video. All right. For now,
as you can tell, I'm not out in my shop, but I did take the bike for a test ride, and the windscreen for the $25 I spent for it on Amazon, not eBay, like I said, but for the $25 I spent, it was worth the investment. Is it the end all? No, I would like one a little bit taller. Takes the wind off my chest area though, and it brings it right up to the helmet, which is okay. It's doesn't have, you don't seem to have as much pressure against you when you're up around 50, 55 miles an hour or so, but for the money, it's pretty good. You know, it works. It does what it's supposed to do, I suppose. And as for what you'll see in the next frame, Whiskers, my cat, sadly had to put her down. When you saw her in that video there, she had a severe limp on her right front leg and a huge nodule growing on it. And I took her to the vet a couple of days later, and the vet confirmed what I was afraid of, is that it was cancer, and it was a very fast-growing cancer. So I'm not going to let her suffer. She's been a good cat to us, and a good cat for us, and a good little friend. So we miss her dearly. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please like, make comments, or subscribe. Thank you.